Hi, I'm Nikki Fox, Senior SEO Analyst here at Conduit Digital. Today, we're going to talk about how to create a scalable deliverable system for your agency. Before a client onboards with your agency, you must decide on the core deliverables that your agency is going to provide for them. These deliverables can be a holistic or product-specific level. For example, here at Conduit Digital, we provide our clients with a holistic monthly overview of their individual campaigns' performance metrics. We also have deliverables on a product level. In the SEO department, we often provide our clients with recurring monthly content deliverables. These can include blog content and on-page content optimizations. When creating your deliverable list, ensure you have a tiered system that allows clients at all different spends to fit into your agency. For example, for SEO blog posts, we offer varying word counts depending on the spend and industry. Lastly, make sure that you have turnaround times or specific deadline dates within the month for different phases of producing your deliverables for your clients. For example, set the 25th of the month as the date when all of the blogs are sent to your clients. If your agency is looking for more tips on how to create a scalable deliverable system, read our new blog post, How Consistent Marketing Deliverables Scale Your Agency.